All right, earlier this week I was cutting, and although the wind was going this direction away from me, I still had dust flying in my face and had it up my nose and everything, so I know I was breathing it in. So I purchased a RZ mask. This is what a lot of my friends use, so I picked this up. Even comes with an extension strap if you need it. See what else it comes with. All right, so it comes with a user guide. All right, so here's the user guide that it comes with. Should be self-explanatory, but I'm gonna take a look anyway. All right, it comes with the filters. I believe it came with a filter. Let's double check. Yeah, it came with filters. All right. It's the M2 model that I got. So it already has one filter in there, it looks like. So we'll put this one back in the box here. I think there's a carrying bag, yeah. So we're going to put this in here to store it. And for my size, because I'm not the tiny one, I got the extra large because I'm hoping that that's big enough for my head. Okay, there's the extension strap it comes with. I'm gonna put this in the pouch also, keep it safe. I'm gonna put this in the garage out of the way so it doesn't get a lot of dust on it. But now we're gonna see if we can put this on. So the outer layer of the filter is capable of trapping particulates down to 0.1 micron in size. The inner layer is active carbon element effective towards fumes and odors. All right. So we'll remove that, no longer need that. Remove. All right, so it's got this cloth thing that says remove. Now I got to be careful with my shirt here because this will probably pull my shirt based on the material that it is. All right, so you see my size. Seems to be comfortable. So again, this is the RZ mask. So I'm going to put this in the box and put it over there upside down to keep the dust away from it. All right, so this is my first attempt at cutting now with the RZ mask. So what I'm going to do is square this off. All right, so I think this mask worked pretty good. I smell a little bit of the wood, not like I did last time when I had the dust all over me, but you can see my arms on my shirt is covered in the dust. But wow, yeah, this thing worked pretty good. Definitely a good deal.